G'day mates, settle in nice and cosy as Cyber Monday rolls in tomorrow. Let's start our slow bedtime wander through history. Tonight's tale drifts from market chaos to modern bargains, all told in a calm, slow Aussie hush. From the fear of Black Monday back in '87 to Australia's massive Cyber Monday spend, let your mind unwind gently. Breathe in, let the day fall away, and drift with me through these untold money stories. Picture this, mates. The year is 2005, the US buzzing with early online deals after Thanksgiving. Retailers over there were scrambling to name the surge, and Cyber Monday was born. Just a Monday after Black Friday suddenly crowned the biggest online shopping day in the States. And year after year, the records shuttered, shoppers clicking away late into the night. Last year alone, the US hit a massive $13.3 billion in online sales. Phones made up over half those purchases, folks tapping through discounts on glowing screens. Electronics dropped 30%, clothes nearly 40%. Irresistible deals pulling people in. And even with inflation biting, shoppers kept clicking, chasing those digital bargains. But here in Australia, we've made Black Friday and Cyber Monday totally our own. This year, we're projected to spend $6.8 billion, a huge national splurge. That's up 4% from last year, even with rates biting households hard. On average, each Aussie's expected to spend around $804 on gifts. Retailers are gearing up, prepping fiercely for the season's peak buying momentum. Competition is intense, everyone fighting gently for your dollar with calm precision. But history always whispers, reminding us of market chaos that once struck hard. So now, let's drift back softly to October 19th, 1987. Black Monday, the day markets worldwide shuddered like never before. The Dow Jones plunged 22.6%, all in a single terrifying day. $1.71 trillion vanished globally, a breathtaking collapse. 5 booming years of bull markets had finally cracked, tipping the whole system over. Then came programmed trading loops, automated panic selling feeding on itself. Australia felt the shock too, our markets trembling as the waves rolled across the globe. The ASX dipped sharply, banks tightening credit as uncertainty swept the streets. Back then, no circuit breakers existed, just raw chaos in real time. Traders watched helplessly as screens bled red, every tick another drop. But markets survive, and from the wreckage came lessons that shaped today. Fast forward to modern Cyber Mondays, and chaos still strikes, this time in the digital aisles. Massive online rushes crash websites, sending shoppers into gentle frustration. Best Buy's site once buckled completely, unable to handle the wave. J.Crew even lost $775 during a Black Friday outage. Retailers learnt the hard way. Your website must stand strong when the crowds storm in, especially now, with shoppers buying big-ticket items straight from their mobiles. Cyber Monday has stretched into Cyber Week, discounts dropping early to lure the might owls. But there's a curious thread tying 1987's crash to tomorrow's deals. One word, mates: volatility. Black Monday forced regulators worldwide to build circuit breakers, little safety nets for chaos. For shoppers today, we watch dips in ASX retail stocks like gentle ripples in a pond. Superannuation balances can move too, softly shifting with global currents. And just like post-crash investors, we diversify, steady and mindful. Because even in e-commerce, algorithms can misfire like old program traders. Systems crash, carts freeze, checkout loops spin endlessly like gears on edge. Tomorrow's Cyber Monday could see record spend, but glitches may whisper in the background. Australia's forecast? A massive $6.8 billion burst of retail energy. Mobile visits will dominate, 75% flowing through those tiny glowing screens. If you're investing, watch ASX retailers closely through the week's surges and dips. And breathe easy. Tomorrow's deals are just another rhythm in the long story of markets. Superannuation moves gently with global tides, mates, drifting softly just like the markets that guide it. When big events like Cyber Monday hit, your super can nudge up or down in little quiet ripples. That's why we watch the ASX gently, especially the retailers tied to tomorrow's spending surge. Because $6.8 billion pouring through Aussie online carts can nudge entire sectors awake. Retail stocks can flutter quietly, rising with confidence or dipping if shoppers pull back. But mates, this year's momentum is strong, even with rates biting at the family budget. Nearly all Aussie shoppers browse via mobile. Those tiny glowing portals steer tomorrow's deals. From lounge rooms to late night bed scrolling, shoppers tap their way through deals half asleep. Retailers know mobile rule, so they polish their pages like fine silver for peak performance. A single glitch, a slow page, and shoppers drift away like steam from a midnight kettle. So keep an eye, mates, on those ASX retailers rising with tomorrow's digital tide. Some may surge, some may wobble, but all of them feel the weight of billions spent online. Cyber Monday's not just checkout screens, it's little market pulses echoing through the week. And as night settles, remember the calm lesson history gives us. Markets breathe, rise, fall, repeat. Tomorrow's discounts glow bright, but patience shines brighter when chaos creeps in. If a site crashes, breathe slow. The deal will likely return like the tide coming home. And if the markets wobble, remember how they recovered, even after Black Monday's worst blow. We've lived through shocks, crashes, panics, yet every time, hope drifts back in. Tomorrow's $6.8 billion spree, just another chapter in that long rhythm. And mates, once Cyber Monday fades, another giant waits. Boxing Day, that legendary Aussie shopping storm with myths, market moves and price drops of its own. But that's a tale for another night, another slow unwind before sleep. Tonight, just drift with the comfort that markets calm and shoppers find their rhythm. Mate, listen to the night. If 95% of Aussies scroll mobile, Boxing Day prep better fit palms. And before sleep fully takes you, mate, just tuck this story away and drift back here tomorrow night for another quiet wander. Mate, before you drift off, remember, Boxing Day's a beast, but we'll face it calm and steady together. Give that subscribe button a soft little tap like closing an old lantern case for the night, mate. Tomorrow, we'll peek at the early Boxing Day forecasts. Quiet numbers with loud stories, mate. ASX retailers might wobble, but don't stress.
Markets breathe just like we do at night. If you feel like it, mate, tap like, real gentle. Keeps this little lantern glowing for others wandering in. Mobile screens are gonna feel like they run the show again this year, but we'll make sense of it slowly together. Rest easy knowing the numbers aren't going anywhere, mate. Charts will still be there in the morning. I'll walk you through the $6.8 billion surge tomorrow. No rush, no noise, just calm insight. Close your eyes a bit, mate. Picture the candle flickering as Boxing Day deals line up quietly. The markets might jump tomorrow, or they might not, but tonight, none of it can touch you. Subscribe if you feel like it, mate. Future you will thank you once the Boxing Day madness kicks in. Tomorrow, we'll track the ASX retail movers, slow and steady, like following candle smoke in the dark. Just breathe, mate, long and slow. The night's on your side. The big sale of day is coming, but you're ahead of the pack already. Rest is part of the plan. Tap like if you feel that calm settling in, like dropping a heavy ledger shut for the night, mate. Let the numbers fade into the dark for now. They'll shine bright again at sunrise, mate. I'll guide you through the next wave of mobile-driven buys. No stress, no rush, just clarity. Let the shadows stretch, mate. Markets sleep too, even when the world feels loud. Big day tomorrow, but right now, it's just you, the quiet, and this candle glow. If you're still awake, mate, subscribe if you feel like it, before the candle burns down to the final inch. Tomorrow's Boxing Day predictions will be clearer after a good sleep, promise you that.
Markets rise, fall, wobble, but you're steady, mate. Steady as an old timber desk under lantern light. Good night, mate. May your rest be soft and your thoughts drift gentle as smoke. Tomorrow, we unpack that $6.8 billion surge proper. But for now, let the silence hold you. The candle dims, the room cools, and the night settles in. Sleep well, mate. We continue at first light.